My dear people, let us look at another simple problem. Yeah. So, what do we have in this particular problem? Here we have section A, in which, or section 1, in which fluid is entering with a velocity of 3 meters per second, and the diameter is 40 centimeter, and it branches into two different pipes. Pipe 2 is 30 centimeter diameter, and the velocity is 2 meters per second. That is the velocity with which fluid is flowing out. And then we have pipe 3, which has got a diameter of 20 centimeter. We are asked to find what is the velocity with which the fluid is going to flow out. My dear people, I want you to pause and try to do it on your own, and then see if you are able to do it. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to do it. So the first thing I know is that I know the continuity equation, which says v1 dot equals v2 dot plus v3 dot. Otherwise, the volumetric flow rate in section 1 would equal to the volumetric flow rate at section 2 plus section 3. Yeah. And well, I'm just rearranging the equation because we need the velocity 3. So v3 dot equals v2 goes to the other side and becomes negative. So v1 dot minus v2 dot. Well, if I write the equation, we know the V, volumetric flow rate, is area times velocity. So A3 times C3 equals A1 times C1 minus A2 times C2. Or we can also write the equation as D3 square C3, where D is the diameter, equals d1 square c1 minus d2 square c2. Yeah, because area we know is pi by 4 d square, and then pi by 4 is a common element over here, here and here, so it gets cancelled out. Yeah. So all that I'm doing now, my dear people, is that I'm substituting all the values that we know. C3 equals D2 square goes on the other side of equal to and becomes divided by. Yeah. So D1 square C1 becomes 40 into 10 power minus 2, because it's in centimeter. I'm converting it into meter square times the velocity is 3, minus D2 is 30 centimeters, so 30 into 10 power minus 2 meters square times 2, and then divided by d3 is the diameter 3, which is 20 into 10 power minus 2 square. So if I put it in the calculator, I get the velocity to be 7.5 meters per second. What did you get? Hopefully you got the same value as this. Well done.